Hey there, gearheads. Let's talk about something we all love. Fast cars. There's just something about putting the pedal down and feeling that rush of adrenaline, right? From the roar of the engine to the blur of the scenery, speed is exhilarating. It's no wonder we're obsessed with shaving seconds off lap times and pushing the limits of automotive performance. Of course, speed isn't just about going fast in a straight line. It's about acceleration, agility, and responsiveness. That feeling of being one with the machine. And that's where things get really interesting because achieving those heart-stopping speeds often requires some clever engineering. Enter the fascinating world of anti-lag systems. Before we dive into anti-lag systems, we need to talk about turbos. Think of a turbocharger as a supercharger for your engine. It's like giving your car an extra shot of espresso. Here's how it works. A turbo uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which in turn forces more air into the engine. More air means more fuel can be burned, and that translates into a big boost in power. But turbos have a little quirk, something called turbo lag. You see, it takes a moment for those exhaust gases to spool up the turbine and generate boost. This delay between hitting the gas and feeling the power surge is turbo lag. Now imagine you're a race car driver pushing your car to the limit. You come flying into a corner, lift off the gas to brake, and then slam your foot back down to accelerate out. But wait, that pesky turbo lag kicks in, robbing you of precious seconds as you wait for the boost to build again. This is where anti-lag systems come into play. Anti-lag systems are designed to eliminate, or at least significantly reduce, turbo lag. They do this by keeping the turbocharger spinning even when you lift off the gas pedal. That's right, these systems find clever ways to keep those turbines spooled up and ready to deliver instant power. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Section 4, How it works, the science of anti-lag. So how do these magical anti-lag systems work? Well, there are a few different methods, but they all center around one key principle: creating combustion outside the engine's cylinders. One common technique involves injecting fuel into the exhaust manifold after the engine cylinders. This raw fuel mixes with the hot exhaust gases and ignites, creating a small explosion that keeps the turbo spinning. Another approach involves retarding the ignition timing, essentially making the engine burn fuel later in the combustion cycle. This sends still burning fuel into the exhaust manifold, achieving a similar effect. These systems can get quite complex and involve sophisticated electronics to precisely control fuel injection, ignition timing, and other parameters. But the end result is the same: eliminating turbo lag and unleashing instant power. Section 5, Real-world examples, anti-lag in action. Anti-lag systems aren't just some futuristic technology. They've been used in motorsports for decades. From rally cars to Formula One, these systems have helped drivers achieve blistering speeds and dominate on the track. One iconic example is the legendary Lancia Delta Integral, a rally car that became synonymous with turbocharged power and anti-lag systems. Its distinctive bang-bang sound as the anti-lag system ignited fuel in the exhaust was music to the ears of rally fans. More recently, we've seen anti-lag systems make their way into high-performance road cars. The Nissan GT-R, for example, uses a sophisticated anti-lag system to minimize turbo lag and deliver lightning-fast acceleration. Section 6, the future of fast anti-lag and beyond. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative approaches to combating turbo lag. Electric turbochargers, for example, promise to eliminate lag altogether by using electric motors to spin up the turbines. But no matter how sophisticated these systems become, one thing will always remain the same: our love for speed and the thrill of pushing the limits of automotive performance. So buckle up, gearheads, because the future of fast is looking brighter and louder than ever.